Do you need to make end screens for your videos? Let's do it. End screens are the 20-second clips you see at the end of YouTube videos. Let's look at mine. You can add links to related videos, playlists, and even your subscribe button so that others can subscribe to your channel and watch more of your content. Let me show you how I built mine using IntroMate. iMovie does not allow you to work in layers, so you have to build a graphic that your end screen elements can appear on top of. I've chosen the sunburst template. Let's take a look at the original. One reason I decided to use IntroMate to make my end screen is because the music, whether it's intro music or outro music, can be used without fear of getting copyright strikes from YouTube. The first thing I'm going to do is change the color so that it matches the one I used in the example. Using the sliders provided, I'll change it to blue and then make it a little bit lighter. That looks great. Now I'll play the intro to see what it's going to look like. Next, I'll remove the text so that I have just a blank screen. Tap on the T. Select the text boxes that contain text. In this case, text 2 and text 4. And just delete the text that's there. To export and use the end screen, tap the share icon. The export settings are fine. Just tap export. When the export finishes, your end screen graphic will be available in your camera roll. Now I'll switch to iMovie to edit the outro. Start a new project and add the clip that you just created. Tap on Create Movie. Then tap the plus sign in the upper left corner. Tap Video and tap Recently Added. Locate your clip, tap on it, and then tap the plus sign to add it to the timeline. Tap the play icon to play the video clip and make sure it's the right one. This clip is only 10 seconds long, but I need a 20-second clip. So I'm going to tap on the clip in the timeline, and then tap Duplicate, which will create a copy of this clip. Notice that the second clip is 9 seconds long, which adds up to a total of 19 seconds, but I need 20. So I'm going to remove the dissolve transition put there by default. Tap the transition icon in between the two clips, and select None from the bottom of the screen. The entire clip is now 20 seconds long. Exactly. Next, I need to remove the audio from the second clip because I just want the visual graphic. So I'll select the clip and then tap Detach Audio. This will create a blue bar. Then I'll delete the audio. Finally, I'll remove the black piece from the second clip so you can't tell that it actually repeats. The sound from the second clip has been removed. Please watch the entire video to see the final end screen at the very end of this video. tap Done. Then tap the share icon. Tap on Save Video. Then choose the highest possible resolution and wait for the export to finish. When it's done, your completed video can be found inside your camera roll. Now I'll add my end screen graphic to a completed video. Go to the end of the video, then tap on Video, Recently Added, and select the end screen graphic. Tap the plus sign to add the clip to the timeline. Let's take a look at what the end screen graphic will look like. The end screen elements will sit on top of this graphic on YouTube. Let's add an end screen to a finished video now. Save the video and then upload it to YouTube. Click on End Screen. Wait for the page to load. Hit the play button to take a look at the graphic. Here's our graphic. Now, I'll add end screen elements. The quickest way to do this is to import it from a video. Since this is one of my InShot videos, I'll import it from this video. Double click it. The elements will appear in the boxes when the video is played.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.